On Monday, another round of painful reminders of the Aurora Theater shooting because another court case begins. 27 families are suing the theater chain Cinemark because of July 20th, 2012. And new tonight at 10, Denver 7 reporter Marshall Zelinger was just given a document that shows theaters were warned of terrorist attacks 2 months before the shooting.
We're showing you video of the Century 16 Theater from July 20th, 2012, because the theater's owner, Cinemark, is about to be on trial for what happened here that night.
To keep it very simple, Marshall, it's a lack of security.
Attorney Mark Byrne joined me for an interview for this weekend's Politics Unplugged. He represents the 27 families suing Cinemark over a number of security issues. No alarms on doors, no cameras in the back of the building, and lack of training for employees. Then there's this document Byrne intends to use in the case.
There was a warning. Over 2 months before this incident, the Department of Homeland Security sent out a notice called a roll call release that said that movie theaters in the United States were targeted by terrorists.
The warning said that 1 month earlier, in April 2012, a suicide bombing happened at a theater in Somalia. Terrorists may seek to emulate overseas attacks on theaters here in the U.S. because they have the potential to inflict mass casualties and cause local economic damage.
Now, this shooter was as good as any terrorist, whether it was ISIS or just this individual.
We searched online and found previous roll call releases warning about different threats, using the internet for attack planning, threats to Android devices, and use of motorcycles in suicide attacks. Denver 7 spoke with a former federal law enforcement boss who questions the detail of these advisories, saying, quote, "What is the appropriate response to this thing? It doesn't tell them what to do."
The upper management received it, but did nothing with it to warn the various theater general managers and their immediate supervisors.
I reached out to Cinemark and other large movie chains to see what they did with this guidance. I heard back from none of them. A jury will be picked to hear evidence like this on Monday. Marshall Zelinger, Denver 7.